Okay, so in true Khan Academy fashion, I'm going to take a quick video capture of what it's like to go on Khan Academy. I'll just go into my account here. You can see it's my account. Um, on the main page, you can see some of the things that I'm currently working on. I've got 41% of early math mastered. I've got some statistics, some history of the universe stuff, a variety of things. But maybe what I'll do is go into subjects and go to early math just to show you what it's kind of like. So this is me just going in and working on some problems. Alright, let's try this, something really easy. When counting by tens backwards from 810 to 780, which numbers will you say? Select all that apply. So backwards from 810, so we'll say 800, I'll say 790, and we'll say 780. Oh, I got that wrong. Perfect. Okay, so if you get something wrong, then you can always check to see if you get a hint down here. There are 2 hints available. Because we are counting by tens, starting at 810, the numbers must end in 0. Right on. So that's one hint. I've got all ones that end in 0. We can already see which one I missed, right? It's this one up here. We can always try another hint. The correct numbers are 810, 800, 790, and 780. If you're wondering, you can always go in and watch a video on it too, if you're really stuck with something.
Count by tens, starting with 40. Fill in the blanks. So let's count by 10, starting with 4, or count by tens, starting with 40. So 40 is 4 tens. So if we add 10 to that, we're going to get 5 tens, or 50. Now if we add 10 to that, we're going to get 6 tens, or 60.
You guys get the idea. You don't need to watch the whole thing. But the point is, you have a couple hints that you can use. You have a video of something that you can watch. And if you're really stuck, then hopefully you'll get some help from your teacher, or from your parent, or from a friend. I would need to keep going, and I would need to get 5 correct in a row before I could move on to something a little more difficult. So that's an idea of what it's like. But about going in and checking things and helping out other people, I am actually a coach for my son. So this is what's called Class Wogler. That's my last name Nogler and my wife's name White put together. I know that's sad. Anyway, so let's go to student progress. We'll click on the grid up here. My wife also has an account that I'm linked up with, but right here, this NMWN, that's my son. So if you look at the bottom part of this, you can see all the dark blue ones are skills that he has mastered. This one here, he's tried. He's practiced it a couple times. So you can see all blue, a couple that he's tried. But here, we have addition and subtraction word problems within 100 level 4. And he's struggling with this. He tried it 7 days ago, and he tried 19 different problems. You can click on this and go to those specific problems that he tried. So as a teacher or a parent, you can go in and easily see which problems your child or your student has struggled with. Then you can even go to those exact problems. So you can either try it out for yourself, that way you can maybe go and help them with it, or at least watch a video, or whatever. The point is that you can easily and quickly pinpoint where anybody is struggling and intervene accordingly. That is pretty cool in my opinion. Alright. Oh, just for the fun of it before I leave, I'll change my avatar. Just 'cause. There we go. I would actually also like to quickly show you, if he were online right now, I would be able to see movement. So I can see the amount of points that he earns from doing things like watching videos or completing problems, and I'd be able to see in real time him doing work and how he's doing, which is pretty cool too. Lots of different things in here. They're all broken down in the Guide to Khan Academy coach reports that I gave you guys to look through. So if you're ever interested, you can take a peek through. The whole coaching thing is pretty cool, though, I must say. All right, well, let's close this off and finish off the presentation.